Dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to access your live session for Responsible Youth for AI. So let us move on to the Google Classroom. And in this Google Classroom, in the classwork area, there is a link to log in onto the portal. So I'll click on this link. And now see, there are two fields. One is student ID, another is password. So I need to find, okay, what is my student ID and what is my password. So I will again move on to the classroom. I will tap on this particular PDF. And here I'll find, okay, where is my name. So say for example, my name is Adarsh Singh. So my credentials will be 161963 NEGT 2020. Okay, so I will again move on to the login portal. I'll write here 161963 and the password is NEGT 2020. And then I'll click on login. Now see, this is the home page. And if you are not able to see the home page after login, so what you need to do, tap on this 3 lines icon and tap on this home. But we are actually on the home page, so I'm going to tell you, okay, what is the next step. See, there is session 1 which is to be held today between 2 to 4 p.m. So you people have to be live between 2 to 4 p.m. And what you will do, you will just click on this link to join, and the live session, which is going to be held between 2 to 4 p.m. will be live over here. Children, be attentive while the session is going on, because after attempting the session, you are actually required to submit the artificial intelligence idea onto the portal, and then only you will be able to download the certificate. So be attentive, be live between these timings. On 31st, you will be having the session 2, which will be held between 2 to 4 p.m. So you have to follow the particular steps which we are going to follow today. Thank you and happy learning.